From Pacifica, this is Democracy Now!
I think there is a hunger for independent voices. It puts the public back in public broadcasting.
This is what democracy looks like!
Tell me what democracy looks like!
This is what democracy looks like!
Democracy Now! Covered Zuccotti and the Occupy Wall Street movement before it even took place. At that time, it didn't even register on the corporate media radar. And I'll never forget, right after Occupy Wall Street began, watching the network saying, what are these people asking for? They have no message. Really? I mean, I think any Madison Avenue executive would drool to be the one who would come up with that message. We are the 99%. That resonated with so many people across the political spectrum. It's very rare to have a global news operation that is women-led. And I hope it is a role model for many young women journalists that you can be independent, unembedded, and that this is the way that journalism should operate, not only in this country, but around the world.
Amy Goodman.
Thank you. It's such an honor to be with all of you. I'm going to head upstairs too, I hope with all of you, to interview another person who was on our show actually just recently, and that is, and she is Laverne Cox. It should be a very interesting evening. It's such an honor to be here, to be a part of this program that focuses on equality. I don't know how many of you know Pacifica Network. How many of you have ever listened to a Pacifica station in the United States? Well, let me give you a little history of Pacifica and then the history of Democracy Now! And why we do what we do. Pacifica just celebrated its 65th anniversary. It went on the air in 1949. A war resistor after World War II, Lou Hill, came out of the detention camps and he said, there's got to be a media outlet that's not run by corporations that profit from war, but run by journalists and artists. And that's how the first Pacifica station, KPFA in Berkeley, was born in 1949.